If you're trying to create an online account with the California DMV, here's a simple walkthrough to get it done in just a few minutes. Start by making sure you're on the official DMV website. The URL should end in .gov. Once you're on the home page, look near the top menu and click on My DMV. That'll take you to the login page. If you don't have an account yet, click Create an Account. Now, the setup has 5 quick steps. First, you'll be asked to enter your email address twice, just to confirm there are no typos. Then hit Continue. In the second step, go to your email inbox and look for a message from the California DMV. Open it and click the link inside to confirm your email. Next, you'll enter your first and last name and add your phone number. Make sure it's a number you have access to because they'll send a code to it in the final step. Once you receive the code by text, type it in and your account will be created. That's it. Thanks for watching.